So solutions to exercise 16.2, the first one is 3x plus 12 is equal to 21. So I have to have my letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 3x is equal to 21. This here is plus 12. When I bring it over the equal sign to bring it over onto the right, I get minus 12. So I have 3x is equal to 9. I want to find out what just 1x is equal to. So I divide across by 3, divide across by 3, and I get x is equal to 3. Part B then, I have 2a plus 1 is equal to 5, so I need to get letters to the left, numbers to the right. So I have 2a is equal to, 5 is on the right, so it stays there. This is plus 1, it's on the left hand side. I need to bring it over to the right, so it crosses over the equal sign and it changes sign, it becomes minus 1. So I have 2a is equal to 5 take 1 is 4. I want to find out what just 1a is equal to, so I'll divide across by 2, divide across by 2, and I'll get a is equal to 2. Part C, I have 6b plus 9 is equal to 27. So I need to get letters to the left, numbers to the right. So I have 6b is equal to, this is 27, plus 9, when I bring it over the equal sign, it becomes minus 9. So I have 6b is equal to 18. I want to find out what 1b is on its own, so I'm going to divide across by 6, divide across by 6, and I get b is equal to 3. There was a v beside this one, so they wanted me to verify it. So I have 6b plus 9 is equal to 27. Wherever I see a b, I need to put in 3, because that's the answer I just solved for b. And I have 6 bracket 3 plus 9 is equal to 27. 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. And I have 27 is equal to 27. Now I'm on to part D. So I have 2b plus 15 is equal to 9. So I have to have letters on the left hand side, numbers on the right. So I have 2b is equal to 9 is on the right hand side, so it stays there. This is plus 15. When I bring this over, it becomes minus 15. 2b is equal to 9 take 15 is minus 6. I want to find out what just 1b is equal to, so I'll divide across by 2, divide across by 2, and I get b is equal to minus 3. Then for part E, I have 3c plus 4 is equal to minus 20. So I have 3c plus 4 is equal to minus 20. So I have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 3c is equal to minus 20. This is plus 4 here. When I bring it over to the right hand side, it becomes minus 4. It has to change signs. So I have 3c is equal to minus 20 minus 4 is minus 24. I want to find out what just 1c is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by 3, divide across by 3, and I'll get c is equal to minus 24 divided by 3 will give me minus 8. Question 2 then, I have 4p minus 8 is equal to 16. So I have 4p is equal to 16. This is minus 8 here. When I bring it over to the right hand side, I get plus 8. So I have 4p is equal to 16 plus 8 gives me 24. I want to find out what just 1p is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by 4, divide across by 4, and 4 divided by 4 will give me 1p is equal to 24 divided by 4 will give me 6. Part B then, I have 3x minus 3 is equal to 21, so I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So 3x is equal to, so 21 is on the right, this minus 3 needs to come over to the right hand side. When it crosses the equal sign, it becomes plus 3. So I have 3x is equal to 21 plus 3 is 24. I then need to divide across by 3, divide across by 3, and I get x is equal to 8. Next one I have is 3d minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So I need to have my letters on the left, numbers on the right. So here I have 3d is equal to, I need to bring my numbers to the right, so this is minus 9. This is minus 3. When I bring it over the equal sign, it becomes plus 3. So 3d is equal to minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. I want to find 1d on its own, so I'm going to divide across by 3, divide across by 3, d is equal to minus 2. So I sub back into my original equation, d is minus 2, so wherever I see a d, I need to sub back in. So I'll have 3 bracket minus 2, minus 3 is equal to minus 9, 3 bracket minus 2 is minus 6, minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So I have minus 9 is equal to minus 9. The next one here, I have 5y plus 8 is equal to 8. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 5y is equal to 8. This is plus 8 here. When I bring it over, it becomes minus 8. So I have 5y is equal to 0. I want to find y on its own, so I'm going to divide across by 5. 0 divided by 5 will just give me 0. So y is equal to 0 for part D. Part E, I have 4y minus 1 is equal to minus 13. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 4y is equal to minus 13. This is minus 1 here. When I bring it over, it becomes plus 1. So 4y is equal to minus 12, because minus 13 plus 1 is minus 12. I want to find out what just 1y is, so I'm going to divide across by 4, divide across by 4, and I get y is equal to minus 3. Question 3, I have 4x is equal to 3x plus 3. So here I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So this here is 4x. This letter, however, is on the right hand side. I need to bring it over to the left hand side. It's a positive 3x, so when it comes over, it becomes minus 3x is equal to 3. 4x take 3x is 1x is equal to 3, and that's question 3a solved. B then, I have 4x is equal to 2x plus 10, so I need to have my letters on the left hand side, my numbers on the right. So here I have 4x is on the left. This is positive 2x, which is on the right hand side. I need to bring it over, and it becomes minus 2x is equal to 10. So 4x take 2x is 2x is equal to 10. I want to find out what just 1x is equal to, so I divide across by 2, divide across by 2, and I get x is equal to 5 for that one. Part C then, I have 6x is equal to 2x plus 16. So I have to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 6x. This here is plus 2x. I bring it over to the left hand side and it changes sign. It becomes minus 2x is equal to 16. 6x take 2x is 4x is equal to 16. I want to find out what just 1x is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by 4, divide across by 4, x is equal to 4. D then, I have 4y is equal to 2y minus 12. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 4y is on the left, this 2y is on the right hand side. I need to bring it over, so it becomes minus 2y is equal to minus 12 is on the right hand side. 4y take 2y is 2y is equal to minus 12. I want to find y on its own, so I'm going to divide across by 2, divide across by 2, and I'll get y is equal to minus 12 divided by 2 is y is equal to minus 6. E, so here I have 12p is equal to 8p minus 8, so I have letters on the left, numbers on the right, so I have 12p. This here is plus 8p. When I bring it over, it becomes minus 8p is equal to minus 8. 12p take 8p will give me 4p is equal to minus 8. I want to find p in its own, so I'm going to divide across by 4, divide across by 4, and I will get p is equal to minus 2. Question 4 now, I have 4a is equal to 5a plus 4. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So here I have 4a. I need to bring over this 5a. So this is a positive 5a. When I bring it over, it becomes minus 5a is equal to 4. 4a take 5a is minus 1a is equal to 4. I want to find out what positive 1a is, so I'm going to divide across by minus 1, divide across by minus 1, and I will get a is equal to minus 4 for question 4a. Question 4b then, I have 2b is equal to 7b plus 20, so I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So this here is 2b. I need to bring over this 7b, so when I bring it over the equal sign, it becomes minus 7b is equal to 20. 2b take 7b is minus 5b, that's equal to 20. I want to find out what just 1b is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by minus 5, divide across by minus 5, and I get b is equal to minus 4, because 20 divided by minus 5 is minus 4. For this one, there is a v beside it, so they want me to verify it. So I need to sub in wherever I have a b, put in minus 4. So here I have 2 bracket minus 4 is equal to 7 bracket minus 4 plus 20. So 2 bracket minus 4 will give me minus 8. 7 bracket minus 4 will give me minus 28 plus 20. Then I have minus 8 is equal to minus 8. Part C then, I have 3c is equal to 5c minus 10. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 3c. Bring over my 5c, it becomes minus 5c is equal to minus 10. So I have 3c, take 5c, is minus 2c. That's equal to minus 10. I want to find out what just 1c is on its own. So I'm going to divide across by minus 2, divide across by minus 2. And then I'll have minus 2 divided by minus 2 will just give me 1c, is equal to minus 10 divided by minus 2 will give me 5, because a minus by minus will give me a plus. For d then, I have 9d is equal to 12d minus 36. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 9d, this here is plus 12d. When I bring it over to the left, it becomes minus 12d is equal to minus 36. 9d take 12d will give me minus 3d, sorry, that should be d. And then I'll have is equal to minus 36. I want to find out what just 1d is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by minus 3, divide across by minus 3. Minus divided by minus will give me plus d is equal to minus 36 divided by minus 3 will give me 12. Then I'm on to e. So for e, I have 5r is equal to minus 2r minus 14. So 5r, bring over my minus 2r, it will become plus 2r is equal to minus 14. So 5 plus 2 will give me 7r is equal to minus 14. I want to find out what just 1r is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by 7, divide across by 7, and I will get r is equal to minus 14 divided by 7 will give me minus 2. Question 5 then, I have 3y is equal to minus 12 minus y. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have 3y is on the left, this minus y is on the right hand side, it needs to come over, so that will become plus y is equal to minus 12. Then I have 3y plus y will give me 4y is equal to minus 12. I want to find out what just 1y is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by 4, divide across by 4, and I will get y is equal to minus 3. Part B then, I have minus 3q is equal to 7 plus 4q. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I have minus 3q. This here is plus 4q. When I bring it over, it becomes minus 4q is equal to 7. Minus 3 minus 4 will give me minus 7q is equal to 7. I want to find out what just 1q is on its own, so I'm going to divide across by minus 7, divide across by minus 7, and I will get q is equal to minus 1. Part C then, I have 5y plus 9 is equal to 8y, so I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So I'll have 5y, this is plus 8y, when I bring it over it becomes minus 8y is equal to, when I bring this over to the right hand side, I get minus 9. So now I have 5y, take 8y is minus 3y is equal to minus 9. I want to find out what just 1y is equal to, so I'm going to divide across by minus 3, divide across by minus 3, and I will get y is equal to 3. Part D then, I have 3 is equal to 2y plus 3. So I need to have letters on the left, numbers on the right. So this 2y is on the right hand side. When I bring it over to the left hand side, it becomes minus 2y is equal to, this 3 is on the right hand side, so just jot it down. This 3 is on the left hand side, I need to bring it over and it becomes minus 3. So I'll have minus 2y is equal to 0. Then I'll divide across by 2, divide across by 2, y will be equal to 0 as well. And then the last one that you have is 10 is equal to 4x plus 18. So I'll have this here is 4x. When I bring it over to the left hand side, I'll get minus 4x is equal to 18. This here is plus 10. When I bring it over to the right hand side, I get minus 10. So I have minus 4x is equal to 18. Take away 10 is 8. I want to find out what just 1x is equal to. I'm going to divide across by minus 4, divide across by minus 4, and I get x is equal to minus 2.